Children can exhibit challenging behaviors for many different reasons. Without knowing what those reasons are, it can be difficult to find the right way to address these behaviors when they negatively impact the child and those around them. At Behaviour Help, our passion is to equip parents, teachers, and other professionals with practical positive behavior support strategies to help children learn positive ways of behaving and managing their emotions. That's why we've created our A to Z of Challenging Behaviour book series to help address challenging behaviors in children of all ages. Each book provides a practical step-by-step guide to address a specific behavior of concern. Based on the evidence-based approach of positive behavior support, our A to Z books will help you assess the behavior to identify why it occurs, manage the behavior when it does occur, and prevent or minimize the occurrence of the behavior in the future, with tools and strategies specific to the targeted behavior of concern. Use the practical tools provided to develop a comprehensive positive behavior support plan to support a child of any age consistently in any setting. These invaluable resources are useful for parents and caregivers, educators in childcare, early childhood, primary and secondary schools, and disability, mental health, allied health, and supervisory professionals. Together, we can help our children reach their fullest potential.